Hi guys, so this is a painting that I did probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 weeks ago. I would have to look up the photos. This side I kind of love, this side not so much. But I want to actually layer on top of it. So I think I'm just gonna do some puddles and then some paint around it, and then hopefully my blow dryer works. I'm not going to talk through it because I'm really just going to focus and think, because I really don't want to screw this up. And now I'm thinking that maybe I should just wait it out and try to do that kiss pour that because now we're coming to the end of June for the challenge to do the dirty cup pour, which I have tried and failed miserably. This is this was my first attempt at it. As you can see, there are literally no rings, and none of the warm blues or cool colors really made it onto the canvas. So and while I actually really like this, I feel like it's fiery, I do want to try to do that. So I'm thinking, but I don't know if this canvas would be good to do that. No, I think I'm going to go back to my original, and then maybe I'll go into another one to try that. I mean, I wish I could just cut it in half, because I kind of love this one. Not so much on that side. So I might just take this all blue. I was trying to do coals and warms, and it just didn't. I hate this. I hate that. This not so much. But that's what I think I'm going to do. So again, I'm just going to go, and I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to start having fun.
I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's home to me, and I walk alone. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone out there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I'm walking down the line that divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the edge and where I walk alone. Read between the lines what's fucked up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs and know I'm still alive, and I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone. I walk alone, I walk up. I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one, and I walk up. My shadow's only one that walks beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's beating. Sometimes I wish someone up there will find me. Till then I walk alone.
guys. So I'm probably gonna have already fast forwarded through this video because I just wanted to just create, to be honest with you. I really just wanted to have a little fun, and I did. I had a lot of fun. I think that you guys are getting this whole thing, and if it's not, then it won't go up on YouTube anyway. So I love it. I love it. It was a bunch of puddle pours and Dutch oh my god, Dutch pours, thank you. And lots of colors. Some have silicone in them, some don't, because I'm just still trying to finish up those paints. Wow. I really love it. I do. I actually really love it. I love this. I love the whole thing. I love the pinks. I love everything about it. It's just kind of all over the place. So, yay! Thank you. Thank you. Bye.